Good evening, everyone. I am Professor Shalini Sahai from EC Department, SIRT Bhopal. Today, in this lecture, I am going to discuss about the magnitude response of band pass filter. First, the aim is to plot magnitude response of band stop or reject filter. The band stop filter is formed by combination of low pass and high pass filters with a parallel connection instead of cascading connection. The name itself indicates that it will stop a particular band of frequencies. Since it eliminates frequency, it is called as a band elimination filter or band reject filter or notch filter. We know that high pass and low pass filter, band pass and band stop filters have two cutoff frequencies. It will pass above and below a particular range of frequencies whose cutoff frequencies are predetermined depending upon the value of the components used in the circuit design. Any frequencies in between these two cutoff frequencies are attenuators. It has two pass bands and one stop band. The center frequency Fc is defined as geometric mean of Fl into Fh. When the input signal is given, the low frequencies are passed through the low pass filter in the band stop circuit and the high frequencies are passed through the high pass filter in the circuit. This is shown in the block diagram. Here, the input frequencies are separated out as low frequency and high pass frequencies, and this is the output. In practical, due to the capacitor switching mechanism in the high pass and low pass filter, the output characteristics are not same as that of an ideal filter. The pass band must be equal to the low pass filter and high pass filter. So it is high pass and low pass filter combination. It is in band stop filter circuit which with passive components as shown in the figure. We have used the passive components R, L and C. The output is taken across the inductor and capacitor which are connected in series. We know that for different frequencies in the input circuit behaves either as an open or short circuit. At low frequencies, the capacitor acts as an open circuit and inductor acts like a short circuit. At high frequencies, the inductor acts like an open circuit and the capacitor acts like a short circuit. Thus, at low and high frequencies, the circuit acts like an open circuit because inductor and capacitors are connected in series. By this, it is also clear that at mid frequencies, the circuit acts like a short circuit. Thus, the mid frequencies are not allowed to pass through the circuit. The mid frequency range to which the filter acts as a short circuit depends upon the value of lower and upper cutoff frequencies. This lower and upper cutoff frequency values depend upon the component values. These components values are determined by the transfer function for the circuit according to the design. The transfer function is nothing but the ratio of the output upon the input. Here we have shown the transfer function and the angular frequency omega is 2 pi f. Here we are going to discuss the MATLAB code in which we have taken as omega angular frequency on the x-axis which starts from 0 an interval of 0.01 to 500. Here we have defined the gain. This is the gain which we have discussed earlier. And to plot the magnitude gain response of the filter, we use the command semilog x. Here, the gain will be plotted in the semilog paper. Y-axis will show the gain in log. So, we have taken on x-axis the omega and on the y-axis the absolute value of G. We have put the grid on. We have given the title as magnitude response of band stop filter. We have labeled the frequency. We have labeled the gain on y-axis. And this is the graph which we have obtained through the MATLAB, where we have written this MATLAB code, and we have run that code, and this plot figure is obtained in the figure window, where the frequency on x-axis, gain is on the y-axis, and this is the magnitude response of the band stop filter. So from zero here, this is the region of pass band, this is the region of pass band, and it is the stop band. It look like a notch, so this filter is also known as the notch filter. Thank you.